The year is 2026. We once thought robots would only replace factory workers. We were wrong. Today, doctors, engineers, and creative thinkers face the same terrifying question. Is the human worker becoming obsolete?
This isn't science fiction. Before our very eyes, the old rules of the job market are turning to dust. But where does this silent revolution end? Are we heading toward a digital utopia or a future of mass unemployment?
In just 2 years, AI has evolved from a helpful assistant to a full-scale replacement. From writing complex code to providing legal advice, tasks that took humans years to master are now being completed in seconds by algorithms. White-collar jobs are now in the line of fire. Corporations aren't just looking for employees anymore, they are looking for efficiency. And humans, with our need for sleep and salary, are becoming the expensive option.
Across the globe, millions are being forced to reinvent themselves. From freelance marketplaces to global conglomerates, there is a strange, heavy silence. Competition is rising, wages are stagnating, and the middle class is fighting for its very existence.
But there is another side to the story. Those who stop fearing AI and start controlling it are becoming the leaders of this new world. This isn't just the destruction of jobs, it's the birth of a new kind of human labor. But the question remains, can the rest of humanity keep up?
History shows that every revolution takes something away, only to give something new. But will the AI revolution of 2026 be a blessing? Or have we built the tool that eventually replaces us? Is your career ready for the storm? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. To understand the world of tomorrow, stay tuned to TrueScope. Thanks for watching.